Hello, my name is Elisa Calusa, and today's topic for this presentation is the description of a festival. I've decided to talk about the Fuji Shibazakura Festival taking place every spring in Japan. I've chosen this festival because I really like when nature is seen as a main focus of attraction for tourists, and besides that, I really like the festival itself. The festival is related with the blossom of a type of flower called pink moss, floss moss, or Shibazakura, which is a Japanese word meaning lawn cherry, because the buds of this type of flower resemble those of cherry flowers and they cover the ground just like a lawn. There are approximately 800,000 flowers in the park in 8 different varieties and in different shades like pink, purple, white and blue, and the different colors create some cool patterns over the field. The flower species is native to North America, but it is nowadays really popular in Japan. The festival takes place in the Fuji Five Lakes region, more exactly near Lake Motozu. The Mount Fuji, with its snow-capped peak, is visible and creates a stunning landscape by making contrast with the vivid pink color of the flowers. As I mentioned, the festival is a seasonal event that takes place every spring, but each year the exact dates can vary a bit depending on each winter's climate and the date of approach of spring. Moreover, dates might get changed even at last minute depending on the flowering conditions. For example, in 2020, the period to blossom was expected to be between the 11th of April and the 31st of May. The festival is accompanied with the installation of some stalls selling food, local souvenirs, and pots of flowers. Food is actually provided as part of another event, the so-called Mount Fuji Delicious Food Festival, that offers some local dishes such as, I'm gonna read it, Fuji no Miya Yakisoba, Fuji Yoshiro Udon, and kosher chicken giblet stew. All the menu can be consulted on the online page of the event. In relation to accommodation, there are different options available. Tourists can choose among many cozy hotels in the area, many of which boast a spectacular view over Mount Fuji and the landscape, and some of them also have a spa and offer local cuisine. Hotels located on the north shore of Kawaguchiko Lake are highly recommended because they are the ones that have the best view over the landscape. As for nature lovers, it is possible to camp at a nearby camping site called Pika Fujisaiko. The distance between the location of the event and Tokyo is about 2 hours and a half. The easiest way to get there is by taking a train combined with the Shibazakura liner, which is a shuttle bus, or by taking just a bus that departs every 30 minutes from Shinjuku, which is a main district of Tokyo, and that is called the Fuji-Kyuko bus. Kawaguchiko Station is the train station of reference for the event because it's the closest one. To visit the festival, you have to pay an entrance fee of 800 yen for adults and 250 yen for children up to 12 years old, which correspond respectively to 6 euros and 82 cents and 2 euros and 13 cents. Tickets can be purchased on-site or online, but take note that online tickets are a bit risky because, as I said, the exact dates of the event can change and ticket cancellation is not permitted. However, if on the date of visit the flowering conditions are on point, the staff can offer you some free entrance as a kind of gift and compensation. In front of the entrance of the festival, there is a paying parking lot, and eventually other temporary parking spaces are set up. The fees are of 500 yen for a standard vehicle, 2000 yen for a large vehicle, and 300 yen for a motorbike. Now, just a tip for visitors: if you want to fully enjoy your experience there, peacefully stroll the grounds, take snap pictures of the flowers, of the lawns, it is advisable to avoid certain busy days in which the site is very crowded, which are the weekends and the first week of May, since it is a Japanese public holiday, the so-called Golden Week. So on these days, the site attracts a lot of tourists, especially Tokyo citizens. Lastly, the festival is sponsored by the Fuji Shibazakura Festival Executive Committee and supported by the Fuji Kawaguchiko Town Five Lakes Tourism Federation. Further information about the event can be found on the official website that is available also in English. I can see that 5 minutes are just about up, so I'd better finish this presentation by saying thank you for your time and attention.